Hey guys, Piper1227 here. I'm in the model railroading thing, so, I got the YouTube video because, Master Muffin, but, I'm gonna start doing model railroad videos. So, this is my Baltimore and Ohio weathered car. I got all the weathering. I got some cement spillage right here. The cement all there. I got all the rust, all that crap there. And all my paint I used was Distress Crackle paint, the vintage photo. I got it at Michael's. You probably get it at your Michael's. And I used Burnt Sienna, and that's a good paint, folk art. And then for the cement, I used Pearl Finish right here. And to add some darker, I used black. So yeah. So this is my car. You can probably get all that stuff in your local Michael's. And what I did, I made my own little paint thing here, and I took the paintbrush, I wiped it off, and then I went up and down very lightly with it. So, yep, that's pretty much it. Piper1227